Hello everyone, I'm from Group 1 and as the moderator of Group 1. So today we will present about the components of qualitative research. And before we continue to the material, let us introduce ourselves first. From me, my name is Putuvina Kejanti with student ID number 21120212121. And three of my friends.
My name is Nikada Gita Valentina. My student identification number is 21120211124 and I'm a presenter.
Hello everyone, my name is Madhutari Dharmasanti with student ID number 21120211125.
Hello, introduce myself. My name is Lutu Aryani with student ID number 21120211134.
So here we're gonna explain the component of qualitative research according to Strauss.
Broadly speaking, qualitative research has three main components according to Strauss. First, there is data that comes from various sources. Interviews and observations are the most commonly used sources. Basically, general interviews and interviews in research settings have the same function and purpose, which functions as a data collection tool and aims to get the most accurate data possible. However, there are several requirements, situations, and conditions that distinguish between general interviews and qualitative interviews, according to Herdiansta. Among them, first, building rapport. Establishing rapport means that the researcher has opened this so that separates the researchers from the subjects and also reduces the personal distance between the researcher and the subject. Secondly, gaining trust. In getting accurate and reliable data from research subjects, trust is the key. Trust is a natural process when someone is accepted and valued. Trust cannot be manipulated, and achieving it takes time. Third, emic perspective. Emic perspective is the perspective that comes from the subject. Everything expressed and explored in the research is entirely the subject's point of view, attitudes, and thoughts.
Alright, I will continue the presentation which is about observation. Observation is a common way to collect information in qualitative methods. Basically, observation is a research activity that uses the five senses to obtain research information. The point is, with the results of observation in obtaining the information needed to answer the research problems. Observations aim to obtain a real picture of the existing problems. There are three forms of observation that can be made. The first is participants' observation. The data collection is through observation where the researcher is directly involved in the informant's daily life. Second is unstructured observation. Observation without using observation guidelines. Researchers can develop their observation from the results that occur in the field. And the third is group observation. Observation made in groups by the research team from the issues raised to become the objects of research. That's all from me. Next material will be presented by my friend. Thank you.
So here, the second component of qualitative research is qualitative research consists of different procedures. What is meant by this? Consists of different procedures is of analysis or the interpretation that are used to arrive at the finding and the theories. And this procedure include technique for conceptualizing data. And this process is called coding, which varies due to the training, experience, and the research objective.
Alright, now I will continue the presentation. The third component is written and verbal reports. This may be demonstrated in scientific journals or conferences and may take a variety of forms depending on the audience and the aspect of the findings of the theory being demonstrated. This component is a very striking differentiator between qualitative and quantitative research, because this qualitative research report describes in detail the phenomena or events that have been studied. That's all about my material. Thank you.
So that's all the material from me and my friends about the component of qualitative research. So that's all, and thank you.